Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the last week of October, the 30th week of Ordinary Time. We are culminating the Rosary Month this Saturday with a special Rosary. Please join us. As we end the month of October, we are about to begin the month of November. Let me inform you that by November, we shall not be using anymore the QR code. We will allow anyone to come to church on a first-come and first-served basis. Health protocols will still be observed, especially the wearing of face masks and adhering to a 50% church capacity. Those above 65 years old will be allowed as long as you show your vaccination card. Non-vaccinated parishioners are always welcome, but make sure you wear your masks. Let me encourage all of our parishioners to be fully vaccinated for your protection, as well as for us to achieve herd immunity. We made an online survey this week on the vaccination status of our parish. It showed that 85% of our parishioners have been vaccinated compared to 14% unvaccinated. Let me point out the highlights for this week. October 24 is the World Mission Sunday. We participate by praying fervently that the gospel may reach the hearts of all people. Even in the midst of adversity, you are still to give financial support to the mission work of the church. October 28 is the feast of Saints Simon and Jude. As apostles, they built the household we now enjoy. They planted so that we could reap. May the light of faith the apostles lit continue to burn in our lives.